Hello everyone, welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. I have a little bit of sad news today. I've decided that I'm going to stop making YouTube videos. I'm going to go back to work. I'm going to make some money for myself while I still can. For the last year, I've been trying to build up the channel. For whatever reason, YouTube's not willing to give me any more viewers. It could be my videos, it could be the algorithm. It's probably a combination of both and my thumbnails, but the sad thing is I'm kind of out of time at this point. I have a new job that I'm starting next week. I've been looking forward to that, and I got a really great opportunity with a good company, so that's where my future is headed. I have an idea for another channel that could happen in the future. It's not going to be diecast related, but if it's something that you're interested in or you're a fan of mine, you want to kind of follow me into a new venture, I'm switching up my hobbies a little bit. This will be like a post once a week kind of thing. Only make videos on the weekend. I'm pretty sure my days of trying to make YouTube a full-time thing are done. They're kind of crushed at this point, but that's all right. At least you need to know when you're defeated and know when to call or quits. So you won't see any more diecast videos from me. I want to thank you guys so much for a few good years there, and we really had a good run. Thank you to the Patreon members. You guys stood by my side through the whole thing. I appreciate that. And a big thanks to everyone else for watching my videos. And we took it as far as we could, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. And this is Diecast Resurrection signing off.